everyone. In the previous lecture, we see how we can remove unnecessary rows and how we can use first row as header. Now I have that particular transformed data here. Now, if you want to remove the unnecessary columns from your data set, what you can do? So you have to go to Power Query Editor. Just while loading the data, you have to go to Transform Data button. Just I'll show you. Click on this Web Data, Get Data, search for your data set you want to connect with. I'm connecting web again. Click on Connect button. Just enter all your credentials or whatever the required details. So from this web, ask for the web URL and click on OK. This you are entering URL will show me a navigator window. You need to just select the table you want to get and just click on Transform Data button. This will open up your Power Query Editor. Or else, if you are already into your Power BI desktop and data is imported, and then you have to go to this Home tab, and under this Home tab you have to go to Transform Data button. Again, this Transform Data button has two clickables. The upper clickable over this symbol and the one with this transform data name and this arrow. So if you click on this upper clickable, then it will directly open up your Power Query Editor. Or else you can click on this drop down arrow and transform data. It will open up your Power Query Editor window. So we have already seen that Power Query window is separate from this Power BI desktop, but is a part of Power BI only. Now, to remove columns, we have under this Home tab, we have this choose columns or remove columns options. Now, just scroll and see what columns are what columns are unnecessary to you. Like, let's say this US, this blank column, and this column. These are just duplicate columns. So you need to remove these columns. And also you will see that this US and this US2, these are duplicate columns. So you can remove unnecessary columns. Just what all you need to do is select what all the columns you need to remove. Just for the single column, just click on the single, select the single column here. If you want to select multiple columns, just press the control button and click on the column you want to select, second or more column you want to select. Now we have this remove columns option here. Just click on this remove column option and remove columns. Now you will see that you have what the selected columns you had are now deleted and you have new step added, remove columns, right? This is how you can remove your columns from Power BI desktop. Similar way you have other option under this remove columns option, remove other columns. So if you have selected your column and you want all the other columns to be removed other than this selected column, right, then you have to choose remove other columns option. For example, I want to remove this USA last column, right? This is not required to us. Then to use this other columns option, just select whatever columns you need to select. Just by clicking on the control button, select all the columns you want to keep with you, right? And then click on choose columns drop down clickable and click on remove other columns. Now you will see that last USA wala column is now removed. To load these changes into Power BI desktop, you have this close and apply button. All you have to do is close and apply and then close and apply. It will load the data to your Power BI desktop. and you will see the transformed reflections into your system. Now you have only all those columns that have been left after removing.